Hey guys, so welcome back to another restoremysneakers.com video. In this episode, I'll be talking about my $50 eBay pickup, the Air Jordan 5 Retro from 2000. Now right off the bat, you'll notice that the netting is yellowed. And so are the soles. And there are some light dirt marks on the uppers as well. Now I won't be cleaning these in this video since the process and procedures is practically the same as what I did for the Air Jordan 4 in the last video. So if you haven't seen that, be sure to check it out. What I do want to focus on is the air unit. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to defog the air unit using one of these, a hairdryer. So we're gonna head on out to the cleaning lab and defog these babies up. Hey guys, so welcome back to the cleaning lab. So before I get started on these, I want to bring out the inspiration for this method. Are the original Air Jordan 13s. Now, they're notorious for this problem right here. Fogged up hologram. And a solution to remove the fogging from the hologram was to use a hairdryer. So I'm going to use a hairdryer to remove the fog from the air unit in the Air Jordan 5 since it's essentially the same method. Alright, so I'm going to get started. And make sure you get the other side as well. So to get a better view of this process, I'm now going to do the left shoe. So as you can see, it did clear up really nicely. So that's how you defog an air unit using a hairdryer. But I'm not done yet. You can also defog the netting. So here's one that hasn't been defogged yet, and here's one that has been defogged. Hey guys, welcome back. Here are the results. As you can recall, the air unit was really foggy. Now it's practically clear. The side panel only cleared up very lightly. However, the netting on the tongue cleared up tremendously. So there you have it. That's how you clear up the air unit and the netting on the Air Jordan 5. Now defogging the air unit works for any Nikes that have a visible air unit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to stay tuned for our next episode.
Fabulous.